Smartlace Lite is our newest collection of light hair density and lightweight cap wigs. They also feature our signature welded lace that extends from ear to ear for the most realistic hairline. Although you may be familiar with how to put on a wig, the Smartlace Lite cap with its extended lace requires closer attention to make sure you do not damage the lace front by pulling or stretching. All you need to know is to never pull from the lace front when applying or adjusting your wig. Let me show you how I do it. First, I place my thumbs and index fingers at each side of the cap. Next, I will align the lace front to my front hairline, and while placing my hand on the front of the wig, I will slide the nape over the occipital and press on it to secure it. If the front is too far forward, I gently rock back the lace front to my desired hairline using only the polyurethane ear tabs. I also gently comb my wig with a wide tooth comb to style it, and I'm ready to go. To remove, place your thumbs under the nape, gently lift and slide forward. The key when applying and removing your Smartlace Lite wig is to always be mindful of not pulling the lace material. As always, I use a wide tooth comb and HD Smooth Detangler to gently remove any tangles before storing. Until next time. Smartlace Lite is our newest collection of light hair density and lightweight cap wigs. Because of its cap construction that features a lace front that extends from ear to ear and polyurethane ear tabs, there are more options to use adhesive for those wanting to make sure your wig always stays in place. It's important, however, to know which type of tape is correct for each material and how to correctly apply it. Let me show you how I do it. As always, I use Lace Let Go and a cotton swab to gently clean areas where the adhesive will be applied. In this case, it's the lace front and polyurethane tabs. For the lace front area, I'll use lace front adhesive, which is the blue liner. I simply cut the tape to a small size, then gently apply the backing to the lace front. Once the tape has been positioned, I remove the blue tabs to expose the underside of the adhesive. For the ear tabs, I'll use white or red liner adhesive that is exclusive for polyurethane materials. Once the adhesive is secure, I gently place my wig on, but do not press down until the wig is placed where I would like it to be. So I take a final look to make sure my wig is placed correctly, and then gently press down on the areas where the adhesive has been applied to secure. To remove, I spray 2 to 3 pumps of Lace Let Go on a cotton swab. Then gently lift the corner of my wig and apply the cotton swab underneath. Rotate the swab back and forth to release the adhesive. And repeat this step as many times as necessary before removing my wig. To clean my wig before storing, I simply use a paper towel and spray 3 to 5 pumps of Lace Let Go to clean the area where the adhesive was applied. Until next time! Smartlace Lite is our newest collection of light hair density and lightweight cap wigs. Not only its ready-to-wear lace front extends from ear to ear and makes it great for styling your hair back off your face, but also the slip of silicone in the nape secures the wig in place so you can pull the hair up off your neck into a ponytail. To show you how I created this ponytail using a Smartlace Lite wig, I first will apply adhesive to the lace front area and then apply it to my head. Once I'm ready, I'll use a wide tooth comb to gently brush my hair back into the desired height for my ponytail. Today, I'd like to go up to here. With my hair gathered in a ponytail, I'll pick up a hair tie with my other hand and then secure the gathered hair in my hair tie. To soften the look around my hairline, I'll pull out a few pieces of hair. Smooth out any loose hair and finish with Fiber Love holding spray. One of my favorite things about the Smartlace Lite cap is that it allows you to create a ponytail easily. What's your favorite part?